So I bought this Craftsman gas 2-cycle 25cc trimmer at Lowe's this weekend. It was on special for $129, plus you got a free attachment. I bought the edger with it. It's also a 2-in-1 head. You can use a bump feed or a fixed line, which is my preference. Very easy to do. You can see the specs there. This is a straight shaft. I've only had one curved shaft over the years. Here you got to find the mark on the bump knob and align it to the mark on the spool cover. So you're going to turn that bump knob clockwise, and that mark on the cover is right to the right of the load word. Okay. So here I'm going to demonstrate the fixed length. Just fairly easy. You got two holes together. You put it through, and it goes through these other eyelet holes. And this is really my preference. With the lines that I've used, I can do my front yard with about one of these. I usually cut into about 18 inches or so. Backyard's a little bit bigger. I might use 2 or 3. There it is. And of course you can always cut them if there's not the length. Of course when you run the motor and the guard over here has a little blade that'll cut it. Okay, so we can easily remove it by pulling on that loop there. Okay. And this is the way I usually do it for the other Craftsman trimmers that I have. This one though, it's very easy to do a regular line or a bump feed. Again with the knob, the mark on the bump knob aligned with the mark on the cover. You take 2 lines, and suppose they say 7 feet. Okay, now for the demonstration, just to make it quicker video, I use 3.5 feet, but it's recommended 7. And then basically you put it on one end after you align the mark on the bump knob with the mark on the cover. Just snug it in there. Just push it in and just make sure it sits right, a little bit snug. Okay, and then you can pull on a little bit to make sure it's in there tight. And again, it's just supposed to cut the edges that go in there. You got to hold the base here so it doesn't turn on you, and then just turn it clockwise, and it just takes in the string. I just really just cut it. It's just a matter of getting it a little bit thinner so it fits on the slot that's provided. I didn't measure 30 degrees on the tip or anything. And you just keep going. Again, 7 feet on each side. I only use 3.5 feet just to make it easier. And there you go. You can cut it. Leave about 5 or 6 inches on each side, and depending on what length you want, or whether you're using a shield. Some don't use a shield, but I do. It's set.